بتخبرين ابوي ان بيتنا احترق؟
ما يحتاج يمي، دام انه كل شيء بيرجع سرعة ما كان ان شاء الله.
They might very well do it again.
Mr. Nasser has posted some men to guard the place.
Are you not scared?
When I saw the flames devouring the room, fear seized me. But before I know it, I dashed into the blaze to put it out. Allah saved me in the desert and saved me from the flames today. You must conquer fear within you if you want to carry on.